Welcome to Pigeon. In this demo, we'll show you a simple user flow showing the customer experience on their mobile phone on the right side and the business experience on desktop on the left side. The customer-to-business interaction in Pigeon begins with the customer finding the business that they wish to reach out to. They can find the business in their recent, saved, or by searching directly for that business. Once on the business profile page, they will then find the individual person or group contact that they wish to reach out to. And they can choose if they want to message, email, call, or video chat with them. In this example, we'll go with message. As you can see, all of this communication happens directly in the Pigeon platform. Once the message is sent, that business contact will receive a request, which they can choose to accept, reject, or forward to another person or department in their organization. Once accepted, the conversation then moves to the chats folder. This is where the business can respond to the customer. They also have the option to add more information, like case notes for this specific request or case, or customer notes, which are added to all communication with this customer. After a case is solved, the business will close the case, and that case moves to archive. However, the history is always there in the archive folder, so it can easily be accessed.